If you want to build some seriously strong wrists, then we need to look at wrist flexion. These are the exercises that we pair with wrist extension. And if you want to get strong wrists, arms, shoulders, basically your whole upper body, then you need to be including this in your training.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
Now, like any good movement, you need to pair with the antagonist. So wrist flexion needs to be paired with wrist extension. But in this exercise, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do wrist flexion correctly. Make sure you stick around to the end so you learn the 3 coaching cues that we teach in order to get best results. Dumbbell wrist flexion. We use this in the UMS to strengthen the forearms and prevent tendinopathy. Start with your arms resting on a bench in a supinated grip. Your little fingers will be against the end of the dumbbells to assist with keeping you in a supinated grip. When you extend your wrist and fingers, you will go as far as possible by opening the hands and fingers. Then as you flex, curl the fingers first and then flex the wrist. The 3 cues to think of are: keep your arms still, keep your weight in your arms, be intentional with end ranges. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If we haven't met, my name is Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the co-founders of Unity Gym and the Unified Movement System, or UMS. Right now, you're here watching our free content on YouTube. And since you've already come this far, I can tell you're serious about getting strong, flexible, and fit. But if you're ready to level up, our free Facebook coaching group is exactly what's going to help you do just that. Not only can you ask questions and post videos for feedback from us, I'll also give you one of my most popular and effective programs, the 20-minute flexibility routine, as a gift for joining our tribe. See, despite our combined 50 years of training at an elite level, despite how much quality content we give away on YouTube, at some point, your progression will come to a grinding halt due to limiting factors that are unique to you alone. Honestly, it's not your fault. You haven't done anything wrong. But our tribe is a testament that having an expert look at what you're doing and help you to break through plateaus is simply game-changing. So whether you want to get more flexible, stronger, fitter, or learn some awesome calisthenics moves, or even just perfect your squat technique, we can help you get there faster and safer. Oh, and before you go, if you haven't already, smash those like buttons and subscribe buttons. It goes a really long way to supporting our channel and helps us keep putting out the content we do. And if you prefer to listen, search any podcast platform for Sound of Movement to listen to our amazing interviews with coaches and experts in their field. Well, that's it. I'm looking forward to meeting you in the UMS Movement Mastermind Facebook group. See you soon.